The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Hello everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com, here to give you a quick market recap and an update. If you start out here on the Trade Center, you can actually see across the board, we see Asian markets up, European markets up, US markets up. While we're here, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar, make sure we're up to date with everything. Today's information, we had some new home sales come out. We have some durable good orders came out. Tomorrow we've got some GDP numbers. And Thursday, we've got some jobless claims and personal income. As far as those goes, keep an eye on those red alerts. Those will be the things that move the market. Keep an eye on the news as well. Feds are talking about raising those interest rates come this fall. Talking about being able to raise the rates sequentially, starting October probably, even through fourth quarter. So keep an eye on that. Not a lot changed in the market overall. Let's take a quick look at the S&P E-mini. Let's zoom in here. And what we'll see is this week, for the most part, just a little bit of an upward drift. So last week gains gave back on Friday. And here we're seeing that Monday, Tuesday, we're pressuring that resistance. And we're getting into that zone where we're clearing that 2,120 ballpark on the S&P index, approaching those all-time highs. Going to be seeing if we can test those. Let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ. And NASDAQ is trading right at the high. Watch closely to see if the NASDAQ can break through. Let's take a quick look at the Russell 2000. Excuse me, we've got the Dow Jones Industrial Average, brain moving in a different direction. Similar, approaching current resistance zone, very, very similar to the S&P. Now let's look at the Russell 2000. And we've got the Russell breaking to that all-time high. So leading the market are those mid-cap, small caps. We got the Russell 2000 index giving us a nice pop. The one thing I do notice here is that the volume has been waning off that pop. Initial pop had very good volume as it approached, and then we're seeing it wane a bit. Won't be surprised if we see a bit of a retest. Watch for the retest. The retest could be an opportunity to enter that. Looking good in that regard. Let's take a quick look at the VIX volatility index, trading down near 12, down near the lows. And remember, when they say the VIX is low, it's time to go, that's just a warning sign of complacency. The market's fat, dumb, and happy. Everything seems to be going well still. We see the VIX spike when the market's correct. Let's take a look at the dollar index. And we see the dollar giving a bit of a rebound here, coming down into the known support zone. We got a hammer off support, couple signal candles, and then pop today on the US dollar. We ought to see how that affects oil. Crude light hanging tight, staying there in that $60-$61 range. Also has a pop. The negative correlation between oil and dollar, not always the case, but it looks to me like it's approaching resistance. I'm watching for a breakout. I like the idea of being long oil, maybe USO gives you an opportunity to do that. Now, let's take another quick look at the precious metals. Let's look at yellow gold. Got the mini gold contracts. We could look at the big contracts. They're down opposite the dollar gold contract. Same chart, dropping down into the known support zone. Look for opportunities for accumulation on both GI and SI silver contracts. Silver looks like it's potentially breaking a known support zone, and again, opportunities to pick it up on the lows if you're looking to acquire. So this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com. Look forward to seeing you all in the clubhouse.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.